Welcome to this tutorial on how to make submenus in WordPress. So just like this with the parent menu and then submenus. So here's what it looks like in the menu in WordPress dashboard, and all you do is you just put custom links and put whatever you want as the parent name for the menu, and then in URL you just put hashtag, add the menu, and then you can move it up or position it wherever you want, and then take the submenus and just drag them in a bit, indent them, and that will mean that they come under the parent menu, and we can check that and have a look and refresh the page, and there we go, we've got the parent menu and there's the submenus. So that's how you do it. And there's the original one. Hope that makes sense. Any questions, drop them in. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.